In the beginning was the theatre. FV 112/15 was a theatre group formed by a bunch of students from all over Yugoslavia who were dissatisfied with the dominant culture. They wanted to create a theatre closer to their experiencing of the world. Performances grew out of conscious expansion exercises, long discussions, manipulations of objects. The first show is in a disco, accompanied by speech and music playback. Following this, the group did the Great May performance and the Civil Defense street action in Ljubljana.
Publiko, naprijed! Vrijeme je hola! Taj put mora da postoji! Mora!
Товарищ командант! Вражник напада!
While preparing the first show, we were thinking how we could change the standard theater situation. The audience comes in, sits down, watches, and then leaves. The disco was an ideal solution. In such a marginal environment, active participation is the only way to create the conditions for what we want to do. That is to say, mass media culture.
Kakva je ovo strašna jebačina?
Gurnite mi ga! Ližite me! Bog vas jebo!
Bog te jebo!
Ja počinjem! Jebi me!
V Križankah je spomladanski festival. Velika atrakcija festivala je skupina FAV 112/15 s prvo pravo multimedijsko predstavo v teh krajih. Dišalo je po pomladi.
Zraku je dišalo po pomladi. Prihaja je čas ljubezni, čas prvih srečanj, prvih bežnih pogledov, sramežljivih stiskov rok in prvih poljubov. Nekateri so se tudi razhajali, toda Žanet in Mišel sta bila med tistimi, ki se počasi odkrivajo in zbližujejo. Kdaj sta Žanet in Mišel sedela v vrtni uti in se pomenkovala.
Marmor je bil tih in veter je bil tih. Po koncu vetru bronasta straža je tiha bila. Lahno se je dimila in dim je prihajal z odprtin, ko so ga nesli z mavzoleja. In krsta je plavala počasi in se zaletavala s svojimi orli vrhovi pušk. In tudi on je bil tih, toda mračno tih, sovražnim pogledom.
Kdo si ti, skrivnostna ženska? Odkot prihajaš, kam greš? A je to smrt v tvojih očeh?
The theater, as a sacred sterile institution, exists only when it is dead, when the ruling classes, for whatever reason, use the corpse of culture as their ideology.
In 1982, FV 112/15 gets its first video equipment. Today, video technology is so commonplace that it's hard to imagine those beginnings. The group's program states, Video FV's aim is threefold: to create our own video language, to document the alternative scene and to keep up with video production worldwide, especially the most energetic part, which is music videos. Video soon replaced theatre.
And then video arrived. The joy of recording, of being behind and in front of the camera. In this game, everyone is alone, despite the occasional spark of enthusiasm. In the end, there is a void. When I come to think about it, it has never gone away. Torn to pieces, everything flashes by. We still want to be a theater. At the Windmill, we make a set out of loudspeakers and TVs. We are bursting with a sense of freedom, defiance, and romantic revolution.
V disku Fabi za 60 dinarjev nastopata Laibach, ena od najbolj misterioznih skupin naše ozke domovine, in njihovi beograjski prijatelji Profili. Je Favi gledališka ali video skupina?
Kdo je ugasnil luč?
Spomladanski gledališki festival 83, Dom mladih Šiška, skupina Favi 112/15 in multimedijska instalacija Kdo je ugasnil luč?
Contrary to the passive role of the viewer, the youth subculture scene and its video production, remember the excesses over the punk movement, demand an active viewer. New semiotic codes with rearrangement of meanings, appropriation of existing TV material, serial repetitions of selected segments, and unnatural sex including pornography and homosexuality reveal obscenities within the canonized dominant view and place the Škuc forum video production on the other, wrong side of media-presented social normality.
Se Škuc forumova videoprodukcija opisuje v drugo, narobno stran že vse skozi medijsko poškodovane družbene normalnosti.
Socializem, 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 socializem.